I got packages.
Where'd
and
you
packages.
get those?
UPS and
Priority mail?
Priority mail.
What'd you buy? It's not Amazon, so it's not me.
Well, one's from Pirate. Who's the other from?
Jebus.
Jebus and
Who's
Thrift
that?
Trader.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's go open them up.
Let's hurry. All right, guys. We got packages.
You saw how excited he was.
More packages.
And this is the mystery box from Storage Auction Pirate. This is the $50 mystery box. I'm excited to get into that one.
Alrighty.
So what we need to do is we need to adjust the camera so that they can see down a little bit when we get to the pirate box.
Right.
When we get to the booty.
When we get to the pirate booty.
So go ahead and open this one first. And I know you have a knife in your pocket. He's not prepared. He should have had that knife ready, huh?
I've always got a knife. It's ready.
All right, this one is from Jebus, and you've got to be careful because it is military.
Well, you ain't supposed to tell them.
Oh, sorry, I told you the secret. We purchased this from Treasure Hunting with Jebus on their auction.
They got one coming out tonight.
Yeah, there'll be one out tonight. There'll be one on tonight, so go ahead, pull it out.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we ready?
I want to see it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And we got...
It is an Air Force jacket. Now I need to hang it up. Back way before Christmas, we had gotten an Air Force, the whole uniform, the pants, the coat. And I sold that on eBay for really good money. So that's one of the reasons that we bid on this jacket, not only to support...
I didn't think I'd get it for what we got it for.
Well, to support Jebus and Amber, we participated in their auction, and we bid and won this jacket. So it's fun to have all these auctions and bid on stuff and win it for resale.
Alrighty, we're back.
On to the next one, and this is from Thrift Trader, and this is what we purchased at one of his online auctions. And we still have another package coming from Thrift Trader. I think it will be here the first of the week, but we wanted to go ahead and get this video out because we got our mystery box from Pirate. So, man, Jim, can you get into it? Hey, cut away from the sausage. Get it open. There you go.
It's open.
What do we have? Do you remember what we bought? I know what we got.
I know what we bought.
That's a neat idea. You put those on top so you don't slice them.
Yeah.
Oh, these are old.
These are old vintage Barbie dolls.
Put that
Holiday treats, Barbie. Yeah.
Well, do this one first. And do you see a date on the back of this one? Would you like me to look and you go ahead and get the next one out?
I don't see the date on that one.
Okay. I do. The holiday treat Barbie is 1997. So what year is that one? Is it 97?
Yeah, this is school time fun Barbie.
Yeah, we'll have to wipe up the cellophane, but you can tell this is the way they came out of the storage unit.
Yep.
And I've got a glare there.
And on back you got a workout puzzle.
Wow. Looks like I just have gingerbread men. All right. You want to take...
Looks to be unopened. The shoes fell off. They're down here.
Oh, yeah, this has never been opened either. Let me get this box out of here. It is in my way. This has never been opened.
Still factory sealed.
And for what we paid for these, Jim did look them up first on eBay.
This one, they're similar on there. I could not find her exactly, but they were selling for $30 plus shipping.
Yeah, it was a good 35 to 40 plus shipping.
Yeah.
So,
but since she ain't on there, she's a little bit more
and you know,
rare. It is.
We
This
might
is a
even
rare
box
one.
these up and save these to sew around Christmas time. So, I'm going to take these, and if you can hand me the cardboard.
Here you go.
And this is what everyone's waiting for.
The mystery box.
The $50 mystery box
From
Storage Auction Pirate. Shout out. We love ya. You're guaranteed to have a resell on whatever's in here that he knows that we can make and resell it for a good, what do you say, 65?
Yeah.
And you know, it puts out a
You'll
good
get,
video.
You'll get your money. He said you'll get your money back on whatever you.
And it's a video. We want
And
a
it's
video.
a video.
So what did he
All
send
right.
us?
Paper.
Paper.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, it's wrapped.
There's stuff in
Oh, let's open it little at a time. Whoa, yeah. What is in there?
there. Ooh.
Ooh, look at the
Look
rings.
at the ring. Well, that's a nice ring.
There's a brooch.
But it won't fit my pinky.
Let me see that.
Oh! More!
See the ring? My ring's on my hand too.
Fashion earring.
Oh, those are pretty. You fix those and I'm going to get these. They say love. Can you see them? I hope you can.
Little blue balls.
Aren't those pretty? That is very pretty. Costume jewelry, guys. You get the right costume jewelry, it
can be
really
worth hundreds of
sells.
dollars.
Well, I wish we knew an Anna. It's a California license plate. I hope we're not getting a glare from that skylight now.
It don't look like it on the...
Just be really careful when you're showing this stuff so they can see it.
I can feel
What do you
something.
got?
I don't know. I can't find it.
This is Christmas, guys!
Oh, boy.
Happy birthday, Chloe! It's a Mickey Mouse
Mouse.
pin. Does it have a date?
2018.
2018.
Oh. And an I Love Lovers band.
Oh, that's one of his!
Yes.
Oh, I'm wearing that. That's so going on my arm.
There you go.
Air Pirate is mine.
What you get?
I don't know.
Oh, you get-
This is Christmas. This is fun. Concord. Is this a harmonica? A harmonica? What is it?
Train car.
Okay, you know more about this than I do.
Oh, it's N-scale train parts. Oh no, it's log cars for N-scale.
And look how they're wrapped. Is this someone's handkerchiefs?
Someone's hanky. Vinny's hanky, it looks like. Little log card. The logs go on here.
Guys, Jim just sold 2 set of HO trains yesterday on Facebook Marketplace. Was that it?
Yep. It's neat.
This box is packed, guys. You can put your paper on the ground, honey, so you have room.
I'm feeling something in here, but I don't, nothing in there.
I know, I looked, I felt something too.
Thought there might be the logs.
Oh, this is something. These are old. You assemble, looks like little people, and pose them. And I don't know what this is. Maybe that's something to set them on. Let's see if we can find out more with this paperwork. Many men instructions and assemble and pose them yourself. From Pennsylvania. Let me see if I don't see a year. But they're old. Look at those. We are going to have to look those up. Here, your turn. Just put a pile over there.
Yeah, this is heavy.
There's a big box in here.
Hey, locker nuts.
What you got?
Raiders.
A Raiders wall plate. I thought you were his best friend. He didn't give it to you. Well, you're getting that. A privacy sign from Disneyland Hotel. Can you see it? There is a glare. I am sorry. I asked him about that skylight.
Well, Raider Nation.
There's that father and girl that go to auctions that we see. And I don't know if they have subscribed to us. But if you have, and you taught me about Macari, look at the Raider stuff.
Pin. Vintage one. That's too bad they don't put dates on these. That's old. Oh, there's more.
All right, let's get another one out and see what we have here.
Sorry about the interruption. Had to go make some more money.
Yeah, he had to go sell something. Oops, I'm knocking stuff off the table.
Knocked my socks off the table.
Then our neighbors wanted to talk and give us some flowers, some hostas. Oh, look, there's some golf balls. Ultra. Hey, ultimate distance. Does that mean someone could really hit it, or we play Caddyshack? I'd rather play Caddyshack. Atlanta, 1996. Olympics. You know what? I think we have a shirt downstairs from years ago when we used to go to estate auctions.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Nice
it's a knife.
Nice knife.
A knife. I forgot. Let me see if I can get it out of here. I think we saw him, one of his videos, the knife.
Or one like it.
Here, I'll let you open it.
What do we got on there?
Try to hold it up there while you're opening it. That's something to do with a nail file, I think.
Nail file. Yeah, if I can get my thumbnail underneath it.
Yeah, then let me do it. Oh, scissors!
That's all that's on that side. Then you got
That looks like a razor.
Screwdriver and a...
Oh, don't touch that. Is that sharp?
No. That's for sawing stuff.
Oh, I'm like, you're going to cut your finger.
Little blade. And where's the...
Right there.
Sorry, I cut my fingernails.
So, is it like a multi...
Yeah, somewhat.
Well, that's pretty cool.
That's a nice one.
And it says... Victorinox? I'm not saying that right. Can y'all see that? Oh, I'm so sorry. I hope there's no glare.
And it is a Swiss knife.
That's the word I was looking for. A Swiss knife. You put that back in there, and then I'm going to hand you that. Again, this is Christmas all over again. Ooh.
Whoa!
Who is it? It's a vintage t-shirt. Right?
Yes.
I don't know who it is. We're going to have to look that up.
I'm going to have to look that up. Put down in the comments if you know who that is. I don't recall that one.
And I don't know how old it is. The stitching. This is a machine. I don't know. Wait a
minute, there's some writing here. I just seen
Oh.
94.
Can you see it? Yeah. Oop, 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 oop. Something fell. I remember this from a video. Television channels. Tinkerbell. The Wonderful World of Disney. Now let's show some age here. Every Sunday night, what did you watch on TV?
The
Wonderful World of Disney. Was that Sunday nights that was on?
Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah, when we were kids.
Spice Girl.
Spice Girl.
Which one?
I don't
Victoria.
know.
It says right there. Or no, wait a minute. Is that who it is? Yeah. Victoria.
All right. There. I think you can see it.
Yeah, the glare.
Spice Girl.
We're going to have to put something up over the...
We have to get rid of a skylight.
Easier said than done.
What do you think?
I think we got a good box
Got a
from
bracelet.
Pirate.
I love lovers. So guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. Let's do this. We're going to move this up so you can see us.
That better.
Yeah, I think that's better. I didn't want you to have to just look at parts of us. So we hope you enjoyed the video.
Wind tore my hair up.
Oh,
out there.
you did? You got a little wind blown there?
Yeah, I got a cowlick.
All right, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. It's fun to get these boxes. And again, the mystery boxes, storageauctionpirate.com.
StorageAuctionPirate.com.
You can get
Anywhere from $25 to...
$1,000. So this was the $50 one. I think it was absolutely wonderful.
And it was well worth it.
Absolutely. It was fun. I know that, we can put this stuff on our eBay.
That will go up on our wall.
That'll go somewhere. We do have a picture here in this family room that's going to go kind of behind us. But we want to thank you for watching. And have you subscribed yet?
If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. Hit the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next one.
All right,
Love
guys.
y'all.
Mwah.
Bye.
Love ya.